some toys, some games you can play for bilateral coordination include, it's called a pump rocket. And you can buy pump rockets, I don't know, just about anywhere. But what they do is they hold on to one end and they pump it. So you're doing two different things with your hands, but you have to use both hands to pump the rocket. So that's a bilateral coordination activity. Again, catching a ball is a bilateral coordination activity. Drumming, if you have musical instruments, doing drums is a bilateral coordination activity. Rolling out Play-Doh with a roller, bilateral coordination. You have to use both sides of your body together. These little tubes, have you ever seen these? These are super cool. This is bilateral coordination, pulling them out and then pushing them back in. Is also bilateral coordination because you have to use two hands in order to do this. Another thing that you can do is called a Zoom ball. I don't know how many of you have seen the Zoom ball, but this is called a Zoom ball. You can get them on Amazon or probably Toys R Us. You hold on to one end and it zooms back and forth. So we're going to do a little demonstration now with the Zoom ball.